You're never too old for new friends. It's never too late. The heart, no matter its age, still yearns for connection, for laughter shared, for the quiet comfort of companionship. As the chapters of our lives unfold, the need for meaningful friendships doesn't diminish, if anything. It deepens, becoming a vital thread in the tapestry of our well-being. This isn't just about social circles. It's about nurturing our emotional landscape and keeping our minds vibrant. Today, we embark on a gentle, empowering journey, a guide crafted specifically for seniors who wish to discover the joy of new friendships and lovingly maintain existing connections. All within the comforting embrace of the digital age. We understand that the online world can sometimes feel like a vast, unfamiliar ocean. But with the right compass and a friendly hand, you can navigate it with confidence and grace. Imagine a world where new friends are just a click away, where shared hobbies bring people together across distances, and where warm conversations fill your days. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality that digital platforms can offer. We'll explore safe, senior-friendly havens like Facebook groups and Meetup, which are bustling with communities eager to welcome you. We'll gently demystify the art of video calls, allowing you to see the faces and hear the voices of those you care about. Whether they're across town or across the globe, messaging apps, those tiny pockets of instant connection, will become familiar tools, enabling quick hellos and heartfelt conversations. And for those whose passions ignite their spirits, online hobby clubs offer a wonderful gateway to connect with kindred souls. We know that stepping into the digital realm can also bring whispers of concern. What about scams, you might wonder? How do I protect my privacy? These are valid, important questions, and we will address them with care and clarity. Just as you've navigated life's challenges with wisdom and resilience, you can learn to set boundaries and recognize the signs of potential pitfalls online. We'll share practical tips, rooted in common sense, and designed to keep you safe and secure. The online world, much like the physical world, has its shadows. But with awareness and caution, you can move through them confidently. But this journey isn't just about caution, it's filled with uplifting stories, real tales of seniors who, with a touch of bravery and a willingness to explore, found true companionship, deep understanding, and renewed joy through online connections. Their experiences illuminate the path, showing us that age is merely a number, and the human heart's capacity for connection knows no bounds. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the digital waters, curious about what new friendships might await, or you're already connected and simply looking to deepen your online relationships, this video is here to help. It's an invitation to open your heart, to embrace the possibilities, and to discover the vibrant community that awaits you, all from the comfort and security of your own home. The digital landscape, particularly in 2025, offers an unprecedented opportunity for seniors to combat social isolation, which has become a significant concern in aging societies like South Korea, where the population of older adults is growing at an alarming rate. While efforts are being made to bridge the digital divide, many seniors still face challenges adapting to new technologies. However, the importance of online platforms for fostering communication and social interaction cannot be overstated. They play a crucial role in alleviating loneliness and enhancing life satisfaction. Consider the evolving consumer trends among seniors. The subscription economy is expanding, with more older adults embracing services like Netflix and online shopping memberships, signaling a growing comfort and interest in online activities. Artificial intelligence, through AI speakers and care robots, is also supporting seniors in their self-care routines. And these technologies can further enrich social interactions when integrated with online platforms. There's even a growing trend of silver AI masters educational initiatives designed to empower seniors with digital skills, encouraging their participation in online communities. For online platforms to be truly effective and safe for seniors, several key considerations are paramount. First, they must offer user-friendly interfaces. This means large fonts, simple menu structures, and perhaps even voice guidance for those less accustomed to digital devices. Think intuitive design, minimizing complexity to maximize accessibility. Second, robust personal data protection is critical. Seniors can be particularly vulnerable to data breaches and scams. Platforms must implement rigorous security measures, like two-factor authentication, encryption technologies, and strict access controls over personal information. This creates a fortress around your digital identity. Third, a reliable user authentication system is essential to prevent fake profiles and scammers. Identity verification through real name authentication, mobile phone verification, or even in-person checks, where feasible, can build trust and security within the community. Transparency in reporting and blocking features is also vital, ensuring that users can easily report suspicious activity, and that these reports are handled promptly and openly. Fourth, clear community guidelines and proactive monitoring are necessary to maintain a healthy and safe online environment. Platforms should clearly outline acceptable behavior and actively monitor for violations, taking swift action against those who undermine the community's integrity. Think of it as a neighborhood watch for the digital realm. Finally, regular safety education and information dissemination are crucial. Platforms should regularly provide users with educational resources on online scam prevention, personal data protection, and safe online practices. This empowers users with the knowledge they need to protect themselves. Understanding the types of online scams targeting seniors is also a powerful defense. Common financial scams include smishing, where malicious links are sent via text messages, often disguised as parcel deliveries or health checkup notifications, leading to malware installation or data theft. Messenger phishing involves scammers impersonating friends or family on messaging apps, often demanding money, sometimes even using deepfake technology to mimic voices or faces. Seniors are also targeted by deceptive online shopping sites, offering fake goods or enticing bait-and-switch discounts. Health product scams, with their exaggerated claims and high-pressure sales tactics for health supplements or medical devices, are another area of concern. Investment scams, like fraudulent stock trading chat rooms, lure victims into putting money into schemes that quickly disappear. Even AI can be weaponized, creating fake news videos to manipulate investment decisions. To safeguard yourself, here are 10 golden rules for scam prevention. First, cultivate a healthy skepticism. Avoid clicking on unfamiliar links, and simply ignore suspicious calls or messages. Second, protect your personal information fiercely. Never share account numbers, passwords, or other sensitive data when prompted. Third, always consult with family or trusted friends before making any financial transactions online. Fourth, be wary of unverified information, especially those claiming to be from government agencies. Always verify official services through legitimate sources, like the Bakjiro website for welfare services in Korea. Fifth, keep your smartphone secure with updated antivirus software. Sixth, if you suspect you've been a victim of financial fraud, report it immediately to the police. 112 in Korea or Consumer Counseling Centers 1372. Government and related institutions are actively working to combat these threats. Financial fraud prevention education is offered by organizations like the IM Social Contribution Foundation and Kakao Bank, specifically targeting seniors. The Financial Supervisory Service provides counseling and relief for victims of illegal private lending. Reporting cybercrimes to the police 112 is also an option. Beyond prevention, building a truly safe platform environment means considering additional proposals. Placing professional counselors within platforms can provide immediate support to users and help prevent scams. Establishing a scam damage compensation system, perhaps through insurance, could offer a safety net for victims. Strengthening cooperation with government and related agencies like the police, financial supervisory services, and consumer protection agencies is vital for robust prevention and relief efforts. Finally, fostering intergenerational programs where younger and older generations can engage in online activities together can significantly enhance seniors' digital accessibility and social interaction. This creates a bridge between generations, enriching both. Looking at 2025 online platform trends, YouTube continues to dominate video content with millions of users, highlighting the prevalence of visual communication. Food delivery apps like Badal Minjak remain popular, with Coupang Eats showing significant growth. These trends underscore the pervasive nature of digital engagement in daily life. In conclusion, building safe and beneficial online platforms for seniors in 2025 is not just important, it's essential. With user-friendly interfaces, stringent personal data protection, powerful scam prevention systems, and the active support of government and related institutions, seniors can indeed forge richer, safer social connections in the online space. Your heart has carried you through decades of wisdom, experiences, and a lifetime of stories. Now, it deserves the quiet joy of new friendships, cultivated with care and comfort, in the digital garden that awaits. It's never too late to plant new seeds of connection. Embrace the possibility, and let your heart beat gently with the rhythm of shared laughter and newfound companionship. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and take good care of your health.